Hey, good morning, everybody. Brian Hoops here, Midwest Market Solutions. This is our Market Insider TV opening commentaries. It's Thursday morning, the 8th of February. It's crop report day. That'll be out this morning at 11 o'clock Central Time. And we'll talk about that here in a moment, how we expect it's going to affect our trade. First of all, let's talk about some news items that are developing here. No private export sale announcements this morning. This is the second consecutive day that we did not have any private sales. Now, we've had a pretty good week so far, but we're not seeing anything in the last couple days for corn or soybeans. And corn's really been the benefit of private export sale announcements over the last several weeks, as we saw weekly export sales very good again for corn, 69.7 million bushels, beans at 27.3, and the wheat was 15.2. So the corn number really has been outstanding. I look for next week's number to be good, maybe not great, but good once again. And let's talk about a little bit about the report here that's coming out later this morning. Estimates, corn stocks at 2.468 billion bushels. It's going to be a big number. Now, that is actually down almost 10 million from last month, while soybean stocks are going to be up almost 10 million at 486. The reason being, USDA is expected to make small changes to our export forecast, and this would lower the corn stocks because of increased demand for corn. Soybean exports have actually been running well behind last year, and USDA is probably overstating those. That's why we're looking for an increase in the soybean stocks. Certainly, those two numbers are burdensome for the market and keeps us thinking we're going to see very limited upside potential unless there's a major weather issue in South America. Wheat stocks unchanged at 990 million. Also news-wise this morning, CONAB says Brazilian corn crop is well below year-ago levels at 88 million metric tons. They've lowered it since their previous estimate, and that could be significant as we go into today's trade. The soybean crop is down from last year, but they are increasing it in Brazil. And this, I think, is something to really watch. The reason we've seen export business increase for U.S. corn is because of a decrease in the Brazilian and the Argentine corn crop, and especially Argentina, one of the major exporters that the U.S. competes with, and with a smaller crop there, that increases our export business. So as the day progresses, we'll have more information on our website, and you can sign up to receive all of our information via email by going to our website and signing up there to receive this information. As we'll be analyzing the crop report and doing more broadcasts later as the day progresses. All right, let's look at the livestock trade here. No cash cattle trade yet. Packer bids are 124. Asking prices are 130 to 204. Last week's cash trade was 126. The Fed online auction had limited sales yesterday, but the trade was steady at 126. Look for cash trade to start to develop later today and into Friday. Look for these bids and asking prices to narrow up, and we'll get some cash trade to develop. And finally, hog weight's a little bit supportive in here. The product markets are falling apart. That's what's given us weakness in the futures market, but supportive weights down slightly from last week and below year-ago levels, and that is a little bit supportive for this hog market. I think we'll find some support after early weakness this morning, but we certainly are in a bearish mode here in this hog market. Have a great day, everyone, and contact us if you have any questions. This has been Brian Hoops for Midwest Market Solutions.